Hi, today I will show you how to make remove image background within millisecond. You can do many changes on your photos with this tool. Please watch till the end and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome browser and search for background remover. After searching, open the first website. You can see this interface and accept cookies notification. Step 2. Upload image, which you want to remove background. I have Ronaldo's image. Select image and upload it. Background is removed within millisecond. You can download or edit from here. Here are many options. You can blur background and also change background. Finally, our image is ready. You can download this image. Just click here and automatically downloading. After that, you can see the results. Please subscribe to my channel for more AI-related videos. Thank you.